Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Land. We're here to do some science. Who's excited to take a look at our caterpillars and see how they're growing? You will never believe it. It's just been a couple days since we've last spoke, and you won't even believe, if you can see, how much the caterpillars have been growing and changing. Okay, so they have doubled in size almost since the last time I think that I've shown you. So I measured them with my ruler, and up here I drew my picture. So now that they're 3 centimeters long, okay, so they're about this long, and the width, like the thickness of them, is also so much thicker. Okay, so don't forget in your daily observations to fill in your 3rd cup, okay, and what's going on with our caterpillars today. And not only that, boys and girls, but it looks like they're starting to make their way up to the top of the cup. And that means that they are getting ready to spin their chrysalis. So probably I would say the next time that I show you, they will be in their chrysalis. So it happens pretty fast, right? And it's pretty exciting. It's pretty neat to watch this whole process. So today I have a short little book. It's called Butterflies. And I want you to pay attention, okay, about what happens first, next, then, and last in the cycle. When we were doing our writing, we were starting to write and using this format. Right? First I did this, next I did that, then I did this, last I did that, okay? So we're gonna do that writing today, but we're gonna do it about our butterflies. So let's see what about our book. This is a good one. It's short and sweet. Butterflies. See the butterfly up in the sky? Watch it as it flutters by. Butterflies start as tiny eggs. Out comes caterpillars with many legs. Oh, I hear some rhyming words. Eggs, legs. Little caterpillars growing long, crawling, feeding, getting strong. Strong, long. They love to nibble and to chew. They eat small leaves and big leaves too. Right, we talked about that, about how the caterpillars come out of their eggs and they start to eat all of the leaves. 4 weeks pass, they grow more. They shed their skin 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4. So that's also, I don't know if you can see in here, it kind of looks really messy. So that could also be them shedding their skin, okay, is sometimes what you're seeing in there. Once again, a change comes around. Now it's hanging upside down. So as I say, I'm starting to see the caterpillars are starting to crawl up towards the top of the cup. They're starting to make that J. So they're getting ready to spin their chrysalis. It spins a silky pad to hold on tight and a halter too to keep upright. Now it sheds its skin 1 more to reveal a chrysalis, not at all like the skin before. Inside the shell, it is changing, growing. Eyes, legs, wings are now almost showing. What can it be? Wait and see. So what's gonna happen? It's growing and changing. What's it gonna turn into, boys and girls? A butterfly, right? It's a butterfly. Its wings are wet, it has to rest. It can't fly yet. Remember when it comes out, we said and we learned that the wings are really wet and sticky, so it has to stay a while and pump its wings, right, before it's ready to fly. Soon it tries hard with all its might, spread its 4 wings and takes flight. Like a flower in the sky, what a sight, a butterfly. Wings of black, orange, yellow, and blue. Red, green, gold, and purple too. Colors bright as in a rainbow. What makes these colors? Do you know? It's layers of little scales that we see. They make the colors as bright as can be. Butterflies drink nectar from the pretty flowers. It tastes sweet. They sip for hours. They use their long, thin tongues to drink. That's kind of odd, don't you think? From caterpillar to butterfly takes 8 weeks in all sizes of butterflies, big and small. See the butterfly up in the sky. Watch it as it flutters by. So it says that the process takes about 8 weeks, but it seems like this is happening faster, right? Because I think it's only, I'm trying to think, technically when I got these, I said it hasn't even been a full 2 weeks yet. I would say even maybe just a week and a half. And they're already, I said, I bet in the next day or two, they're gonna be in their chrysalis. Okay, so let's write. I'm gonna attach onto this lesson a piece of paper, and it's going to say first, next, then last. If you are unable to print out that paper, don't worry, just write this on your paper at home or in your journal. And as I said, don't forget to draw your cup and tell us the next observation. That now the caterpillars are 3 inches long and they're thicker too. You see how I drew them thicker in width? Okay, so let's think about it. So first, what happens? What happens first? Who remembers? Let's look at our book. Remember? They start as eggs. Okay, so I'm gonna write here, butterflies. I'm gonna write this word for you so you know how to spell it. But then we're gonna sound out, okay? Ready? And what goes between my words? Remember? Finger spaces. Remember our song? I put my little finger, I put it in my space, and then I'm so happy I have a smile on my face. Ready? Start. Let's stretch it. S, s. Good. S, st, st, st. R. Start. Good. Start. As. What says Good. A. As. Eggs. What starts with eggs? Eggs. Meaning more than one, right? It has S at the end. What goes at the end of my sentence? A period. Good. What happens next? What's the next stage? The caterpillars, right? Let's say out comes the caterpillar. All right, out. What makes that ow sound? Do you remember that says, ow, oh, I like need a Band-Aid, right? I was looking over here because I thought I had my ouch pouch over here. Wait, I think I see it, boys and girls. Here it is, my ouch pouch. Remember when I say, ow, like I need a Band-Aid? O-U. Okay. Out. T, good. Out. Oh, come. Oh, that's one of our words. It's one of our, remember? C-O-M-E, come, come, come. All right, let's write it. Out comes a caterpillar. Oh, that is a long, expensive word. Let's stretch it out. Could be C or K. What do you think? C, K, T, T, cat, E-R makes a sound. Pillar, P, P, I says it. Pill, 2 L's. Pillar, out comes a caterpillar, period. All right, then what happens? What happens then? Do you see? Oh, it starts to, right? It spins a chrysalis. Then It, like itchy monkey. It. Ins. A. Chrysalis is a hard word. I'm going to tell you how to spell that one. Okay, you ready? C-H. Chris. R-Y-S-A-L-I-S. That's a long, expensive word. All right, what happens last? What happens last? Yes, it turns into a butterfly. Let's say out comes a butterfly. Here's out again. OU says out. OU says ow, out. Comes, here's our word again. C-O-M-E, come. Out comes a butterfly, right? Ooh, butterfly is a compound word. Butter is a word, fly is a word. Put it together, butterfly. Out comes a, so here's butter, here's fly, fly, period at the end of my sentence, okay? You can even draw pictures too if you want, along with your sentences, or you could draw it on the back, okay? So let's read, ready? Butterflies start as eggs. Out, oh, sorry, let's read it let's start again. First, butterflies start as eggs. Next, out comes a caterpillar. Then it spins a chrysalis. Last, out comes a butterfly. All right, boys and girls. Well, guess what? We're halfway there in our cycle, and soon we're gonna be at the chrysalis stage. So I can't wait to come back in a couple days and show you, because I bet when we come back in a couple days, they'll be in a chrysalis. And once they're in the chrysalis, we're gonna move them to, let me get this, oh, remember this? Our butterfly garden. All right, I'm excited. I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you soon.